Linear was established in 2010, focusing on the field of low-temperature control for 15 years. We have more than 340 employees, including research and development technicians of more than 20%. Our factory covers an area of 25,000 square meters, with the annual production capacity of 5,000 units for past 2 years. The annual output value has exceeded 300 million yuan. Our company centers around 3 core business divisions: new energy, semiconductor, and pharmaceutical and chemical industry. We continuously explore applications in high and low temperature, ultra-low temperature, and precise temperature control. Our company has developed 11 categories of products in the direct cooling, liquid cooling and air cooling, providing customers with professional, stable, efficient, temperature control solutions. Products are exported to more than 30 countries and regions around the world. Our company insists on technological innovation as our core competitiveness, using Siemens PLM as our design platform. We manage all data and documents generated throughout the product life cycle, from design, process, production, and sales to disposal. LNEYA always follows the concept that product quality is the lifeline of the enterprise. With comprehensive quality management policies, we continuously enhance our product's market competitiveness. The company is equipped with laser cutting machines, fully automatic pipe benders, and custom laser welding, high-frequency welding, and circumferential welding to achieve standardized assembly process control. Our custom-developed MES system records and traces the entire product manufacturing process for quality control, according to the customer's needs, to simulate the operating conditions for testing, and generate test reports. Our mission: focus on solving customers' wide temperature refrigeration and heating temperature control problems and reducing the energy consumption, provide competitive solutions and services, and continue to create greater value for customers.